Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix WhatsApp status audio overlapping on iPhone. Dealing with WhatsApp status audio overlapping on your iPhone can be quite frustrating, especially when you're trying to enjoy your friends' updates or share your own experience. In this video we will walk you through the most effective solution to resolve this common issue with our informative and smart advice. You will no longer be plagued by overlapping audio, ensuring a seamless WhatsApp experience. Follow along as we explore various troubleshooting techniques including device settings, app optimization and more to help you get the most out of your WhatsApp status feature on your iPhone. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is close background app and audio sources. Begin by shutting down all background applications, particularly those capable of producing audio. To do this, swipe up from the very bottom edge of your iPhone screen to access the app switcher. Then swipe up on each app card to effectively close them. This setup ensures that no competing audio sources interfere with your WhatsApp status experience, allowing for smooth and uninterrupted playbacks, and you are done. The next step is disable AirPlay and screen time and disconnect audio devices. When this is done, disable AirPlay on screen mirroring, but you can also temporarily disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to help with this process. Disconnect any audio capable device such as headphones or Bluetooth speakers which could be faulty or causing interference. And the next step is update WhatsApp to the latest version to avoid audio overlapping issue. To do this, open the App Store and then search for WhatsApp. If an update is available, tap on update. By keeping your WhatsApp application current, you will benefit from the latest feature, bug fixes and performance improvements which can help resolve audio issues in your WhatsApp status, and you are done. And the next step is resolve persistent audio overlapping issue. If you have tried this step and still face overlapping audio problems in WhatsApp status, consider offloading the app and restart your iPhone. To offload WhatsApp app, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down and then tap on iPhone storage. Allow a few seconds for your storage information to load. Locate the WhatsApp in the list of apps. And then tap on offload app. After offloading, reinstall it again. This should effectively resolve the overlapping audio issue in your WhatsApp status, allowing you to enjoy a seamless experience, and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. To do this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. And then slide to power off, wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of WhatsApp status audio overlapping on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.